Airport projects are complex by nature. They demand coordination, precision, and trust. At SEW-EURODRIVE, we bring in global experience and local commitment to every project. What makes the difference is our partnership approach. We listen, we adapt, and we deliver solutions that are reliable and efficient and meet the requirements of future aviation.
Der Flughafen von Zürich hat sich
Zurich Airport began considering the renewal of its baggage handling system 15 years ago and came to the conclusion that modernization was necessary for 3 reasons: increased capacity due to more passengers, enhanced security with new X-ray equipment, and the replacement of various components. For this project, we turned to well-known suppliers, Leonardo, Motion06, and for drive technology, SEW-EURODRIVE.
It's a great pleasure for Leonardo to be the VHS system integrator in Zurich Airport. This is a strategic infrastructure that ensures efficiency, reliability, and safety in ongoing operation every single day. SEW-EURODRIVE plays a key role for Leonardo automation because they provide drive automation solution and high-level technologies with modular solution that ensure the success of this project. Leonardo, Motion6, and SEW-EURODRIVE are the key partners for this project, and this is a key example to achieve the outstanding results.
For Motion06, the renewal of the baggage handling system at Zurich Airport is one of the largest contracts in our company's history. In this economically and technically challenging environment, such a project can only be realized with outstanding partners like SEW-EURODRIVE and Leonardo.
This project is a fundamental pillar in airport efficiency. We implement a state-of-the-art VHS solution that not only improves the flows, but also guarantees a flawless baggage management from check-in to loading. We integrate Movigear performance by SEW-EURODRIVE, an innovative technology that reduces the power consumption compared to the other standard solution. Thanks to the close collaboration with our partner Leonardo, where the proven technical expertise allow to create efficient and modern airport for the benefit of all of those who will be traveling through Zurich.
We are very proud that Zurich Airport and with them Leonardo and Motion6 put their trust in the latest generation of drive systems from SEW. Our solutions are highly reliable and efficient, and at the same time very easy to use and maintain. With the modular automation system MOVI-C, all components are fully connected and work together seamlessly. This is the basis for smart operation and maintenance. And on top of that, with the PMM-based IE5 technology, we can cut energy costs by 30 to 50% compared to standard systems. And not only on paper, but actually proven in tests here in this BHS. This is how we help Zurich Airport to stay efficient and sustainable for years and decades to come.
We've been working with SEW-EURODRIVE for over 40 years, always to our full satisfaction. In this project, we were very pleased with our partners and with the result as well.